Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new week of the Forex market analysis. For the coming week, we'll be taking a look at the CADCHF, the EURCAD and the GBPCHF. Before we delve into what we have for this coming week, that is the CADCHF, EURCAD and the GBPCHF, let us do a quick recap of what we had on the watch list for last week and see how they went. USD was the first pair on the watch list for last week, and it was two options or two setups that I was looking at: a respect of the support or a breakout of the support. Obviously, I took out the first option that came because I respected it to begin the week and got out with a small loss later on with this breakout. I was patient enough for the Euro USD to break out, which came later on, but then the bulls weren't really strong. It hung around this level to close the week. ADJPY didn't meet any of the criteria that I was looking at. That is a retest or a breakout of this level. It just went up. That was the third option that I was looking at. So I didn't touch this. But CADCHF, however, was a redeemer as we had the retest of this trend line for the bulls to take over for a while. It wasn't a massive move, but then it was all right. CADCHF also makes it into this week again. So for the coming week, this would be the setup that I would be looking at on the CADCHF. So I'll strictly be looking out for a breakout of this trend line for the bears to completely take over the CADCHF. We can also get another retest for the CADCHF to remain bullish, but then I'm more slanted towards a breakout because it has been trending upwards for some time now, and I feel like whatever goes up must come down at some moment. EURCAD is the second currency pair on the watch list, and it mirrors the CAD-CHF's move. So if I'm bearish the CAD-CHF automatically, I need to be bullish the EURCAD. So for the coming week, I'll be looking out for a breakout of this very downtrend line for the bulls to step in. If the breakout never comes, we may continue to see the bears going down and down, but my bias is more towards a bullish breakout of the downtrend line. What is risky on the CAD-CHF and the EURCAD setups would be false breakouts. The GBP-CHF is the final pair on the watch list. It is currently trading in an ascending channel of sorts. For the coming week, we have three potential scenarios to look at: whether the GBP-CHF remains slightly bullish within the confines of the ascending channel, or there will be a breakout of the resistance of the ascending channel for it to be completely bullish, or the last option, which may be rather unlikely, there will be a breakout of the support of the ascending channel for the bears to step up their A game. The fundamental week is so packed that it even begins on Sunday, which is not really a trading day. We have the New Zealand announcing their CPI today, and also notable of the CPIs would be the ones that will be coming from Great Britain on Wednesday, from Europe and from Canada as well. Those are the highlights of the week economically. I wish you a profitable trading week and see you next week if there are any good setups.